Are you looking for a new hosting and also that fits your pocket? If yes, then this video is for you, because if you follow me till the end, I'll share with you a hosting that's not only just reliable but too much affordable and that fits in your pocket, and perhaps the best deal that you can grab on the internet today. So follow me till the end and we'll discover what this company is and basically, everything about it.
Ibrar.
Hey guys, it's your boy D brought back with another video, and in this video I'll be sharing with you one of the best shared hosting platforms. Right. So in this video I'll be uncovering one of the best hosting companies, from where you can get a reliable hosting for you and your business, and perhaps you would never regret, using their service. And without further ado, let me just reveal you what is the company that we would be looking at today. So today I'll be reviewing bodHOST. bodHOST is one of the veteran hosting providers, and they have been into providing hosting servers, renting hosting servers from a long time and over 2 decades. So you definitely know that when you get your sites hosting from bodHOST, you are in good hands. So let's just talk more about bodHOST. Let's just learn more about it. And in order for this, let me take you to my computer screen. So without further ado, let's just jump into my computer screen.
So guys, right now I'm on my computer screen, and what you see is the homepage of bodHOST. So let me very quickly give you a first look of the website so you know how the website actually looks like. There you go, you saw how the website looks like, and it's quite minimally designed, well designed. Along with that, it has got all the information that you would require to know the most about bodHOST, right? So at first, in the hero section, they've mentioned that unleash your website's potential with bodHOST Cloud, where innovation meets hosting, right? So that's a powerful statement. Along with that, they have mentioned few of the reasons that you should consider while getting why you should be even getting a hosting plan from bodHOST, right? So at first they mentioned NVMe storage. So NVMe, if you don't know, it is the latest technology for SSD. So SSD are the solid state drives, which are very fast as compared to the traditional hard disk, right? So when your server is built on NVMe technology, you can expect that your websites would be running much fast. They'll have a quick load time, and perhaps everything will be as quick as like lightning for you. Fine. Along with this, they offer you guaranteed CPU and memory, which means you get dedicated memory allocated for you and for your websites, right? So apart from this, what you can also expect is a 24/7 technical support. So in case you run into any issues, you know that bodHOST has your back, so you can contact them at any time of the day and you will always find them active, because they have a 24/7 support team, right? So along with that, what you also get is a 99.95% uptime, which means that you have a guarantee from their side that your site will always be up and running on the internet and you won't be facing the downtime issues, right? So it's like 502 gateway error and server issues. This kind of issues you won't be getting, because they have a 99.95% of uptime guarantee. Plus, one more thing that I would like to mention, if you just scroll below, where they have mentioned what sets them apart from others, right? A few more reasons why you should consider them. They have one point that says 30 days money back, so which just means that you can try them out for 30 days completely risk free. If you choose to invest by getting a plan from bodHOST, then you can literally for 30 days straight test them out, and if you don't like, if you're dissatisfied in any way, you can contact the support team and you can have your money back, right? No questions asked, you can have your money back, so you can risk free try out bodHOST, right? So now let's just talk about a few of the facts regarding bodHOST. So they were established in 2003. As you can read here, they have 30 plus data centers with 3000 plus active servers. Along with this, they have 60,000 plus websites that are hosted on bodHOST. So you know that this is not just a small company, it is a veteran in the field of hosting, right? So you can definitely trust them and their plans. Along with this, now here we have the three main categories of hosting that you get in bodHOST. So they offer you shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and along with it also VPS hosting, right? So they are very affordable. As you can see, you can get started with shared hosting at just approximately just $1, right? It's $1.09. So it's approximately just $1 that you can get started. You can kickstart your online journey with just $1 per month, right? Along with this, you have WordPress hosting that starts from 1.49, like $1.50, right, per month. And along with this, approximately $10 per month for VPS hosting. VPS hosting usually is a very pricey thing, but here you get it at the most affordable rates. So that is a good news for you, right? So if you have a business like an e-com site or something, and you will consider getting yourself a private server, then you can get started with bodHOST, because they have one of the most reliable. As you know, they're veteran in the field, so they are reliable. Apart from this, they also have very convenient pricing model. Now what basically you get in all of these plans is something that's already displayed on your screen, so you can pause the video and have a shot regarding what features do you get, because it would be a waste of time for me to read out all of them, or else I'll also be linking this website down in the description box, so you can go ahead and check bodHOST from there, right? So now let's just move ahead with it, right? So now we know that briefly there are three types of hosting that you can expect from here. Plus you can also get not just hosting, you can also get domain names from here. And let's just scroll below. Here are a few extra services that you can get from bodHOST. First is Immunified 360, which just simply means it's a security solution for your website, which means if you're getting a server, if you're renting out a server, then you can basically get it protected from any form of viruses and malwares using this service of theirs. And apart from this, what you get is also remote backups, right? Remote backups basically means backing up the files that are stored on your server, so that in case there could be a mishap any day, and and even in that situation, that you can restore your website back to the day when everything was all okay. So basically that's the main purpose of having backups, and that is something that you can get for just $5 a month. Next is Spam Expert. It is for email. Okay, it filters out the messages in your inbox. If you get a ton of emails and you want to inbox and you filter out the spam messages, then you can opt for this service. Now moving on to next is this section basically discusses more about the reviews that their customers have had. Now as we saw that they are hosting over 60,000 websites, right? So here are a few of the reviews that you can read from users that are already using bodHOST, so you can learn from their experiences, how the experience has been. Like as I checked this website on various platforms, this website is well reviewed and has got really good amount of satisfied users recommending this service. So definitely you can give bodHOST a shot, right? And apart from this, at the very end, they've also mentioned that they provide you with a free migration, which means if you are already using a hosting service and you are planning to shift from that hosting provider to bodHOST, you can get complete 100% free migration. Your website from that server would be migrated to their servers at no extra charges, right? And now here are a few of the FAQs mentioned, so you don't really have to it's like the very basic things that we already discussed. Now here we have their client or their associate partners. These are not clients, they're the associate partners, the various companies that they work with, right? So as you can see with Microsoft cPanel Plus, these are the control panels, and then you have WordPress, Urbansoft, etc. Cisco, a lot of all those brands that have already good market name, right? So here in the next section you can see the various data centers that they have. As they already mentioned that they have a lot of data centers all across the world, so you can see that on the world map here are their data centers scattered all over. There's quite a lot many. You have in every part of the world, even in considering India or Middle East or US, or in South America or Africa or in Europe. They have a lot many in Europe and America, as you can see, or even in Australia or the Pacific, wherever they have their servers scattered all over the world, right? So that was pretty much it that you have on this website. Perhaps if you ever get any questions, so you can just come to the website, and here you have a live support team, live chat where you can chat and ask for any questions that you have. As we know that they have 24x7 active support team, so you can expect to get connected with them at any time of the day, right? Plus they also have their contact details mentioned here, so you can also WhatsApp them on these two numbers that's mentioned. Fine. So I would also discuss that now we just knew by brief that this where the their services that they provide as a shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting. Now if we just hover over this nav bar where it says web hosting and you click on it, then you know that it's further bifurcated into Linux shared hosting and Windows shared hosting, right? Then you have again reseller hosting, that's again bifurcated into Linux and Windows. So you can basically choose if you want to get a Linux shared hosting, which most popularly and most people opt for, because Linux is quite affordable and is good if you're getting started, but Windows is a bit more complex and is used for for websites that are more technical. Fine. And next, if you just check web servers, so this is basically for the VPS hosting. So here you have the various types of VPS hosting that you can get from bodHOST. Each of them are really great. You can check them out. I'll be linking this in the description box, so you can go and check this website out by yourself. Next, in domains, you can, as I told you, you can just even get a domain name from here. And in security, we already discussed about most of the important security services, but along with this you can also get an SSL certificate or backup, spam filters, emails, Immunified 360, etc. Fine. So guys, that was pretty much it about bodHOST. So if you have any questions, any queries, make sure to drop them down in the comment section, or you can also come to this website, and as I showed you, you can come and basically have a chat with their dedicated support team.
So here we learned a lot about bodHOST, and I'm pretty much sure you should be definitely impressed by them. But yes, if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to drop them. Do give them a check, okay? Check them out, and you definitely get the 30 days money back guarantee, which means you can try them out completely risk free. If you're dissatisfied in any sort, you can definitely get your money back by just contacting their service, by just contacting their support. And I believe that should definitely give you some sort of a sort of a trust that you can basically try them out. And definitely all the links, you'll find it in the description, and I'll see you in some other video. That was all for this video, right? So do make sure to like this video if you felt this video was helpful, and I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.